As a HOOPP member, you have peace of mind, knowing survivor benefits in retirement can help protect your loved ones at no extra cost. If you're getting ready to retire, here's what you should know. We'll help you understand your survivor benefits so you can plan ahead for your retirement and estate goals. Survivor benefits provide ongoing financial support to your spouse, beneficiaries, or estate. When thinking about survivor benefits, there are a few important factors to consider, like your family's lifestyle needs, household finances, and health. Your HOOPP pension is paid for your lifetime. If you have a qualifying spouse when you retire, they will receive a monthly pension for the rest of their life if you pass away before them. You can choose a spousal pension of 66 2/3% or increase it to 80% or 100%. Choosing a higher spousal pension lowers your monthly pension, but gives your spouse more financial protection. If you don't have a qualifying spouse when you retire and you pass away before receiving 15 years of pension payments, your beneficiaries or estate will receive the remaining payments from the 15-year guaranteed period. You can also use HOOPP's Survivor Benefits Guidance tool to explore different scenarios and see personalized estimates. If you and your spouse are considering waiving their right to survivor benefits, meaning they will not receive a spousal pension, please speak with your member services specialist first. This is an important decision, and we want to ensure you have the information you need. Your HOOPP pension is unique, and your plan for your loved ones should be too. For the moments that matter, now and in retirement.